Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we will be doing a simple walkthrough of a workshop we are building in Korle Gonno. The image you see here was the original design of the production center, but after factoring in certain things, we decided to use this same design, but this time flip it on the x-axis. Even with this design, we ended up altering it a bit to create more room in the workshop. Before we begin, kindly hit like on this video if you find the content helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. This is the area where our project is located. This project has been divided into two phases. For phase 1, well, that is what this video is all about. And phase 2 focuses on redesigning and renovating the existing structure. In order to begin phase 2, we need to complete phase 1. This is what the land looks like before the project began. So we are currently setting out. Excavation, footing and filling has been completed. We now have to compact and cast our foundation. We are currently laying the downproof membrane. Casting of the foundation is now ongoing. Casting has been completed and block work has started for the superstructure. The ground floor is complete and plastering has also been done. Columns for the first floor are also being cast. You can now see that we are in the process of casting the lintel. As of the day of recording this video, this is where we have reached, and this is what our production center looks like now. Once the parapet wall is completed, roof members and trusses will be installed, after which roof and plastering will be done. The next part in this series will focus on the finishing aspect of the project. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you found this video to be helpful and interesting, kindly hit the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions, kindly leave them in the comment section below and we'll do our best to answer them. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.